Epidemic sound pricing. How much does Epidemic sound cost? This is Matt, and I'm going to go through all of that in this video. They've got a few pricing options and it does get a little bit complicated, so we're going to go through it all in this video. But first things first, if you want 30 days free of Epidemic Sound, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click my link there and you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how Epidemic Sound change their prices over time. So once you've clicked that link, you find yourself here. Essentially, I'll go left to right. So we've got two main plans, plus they've got like a custom enterprise plan. So they currently have a creator plan charged at £9.99 per month. Now, I'm in the UK, they are showing these prices in British pounds. I mean, I work in dollars a lot anyway. So that's roughly sort of $14, $15 per month for this plan right here. So I should know, I'll go through this in a minute, but yearly and monthly, you're saving 55%, up to 55% with the yearly plans. So we've got $9.99 for the creator. This is described by Epidemic Sound as for individual creators who want premium audio for their personal video content. Like I say, you can get the 30 days free trial. You get unlimited downloads, music and sound effects. Licensing for social, podcasts and websites, and you can earn money from one channel per platform. Now they also have Pro at $16.99, so this is billed yearly at $203.88. This is considered for professionals and freelancers creating video content for commercial use online. So you're getting everything in the creator, plus you're also getting licensing for digital ads. You're getting to protect freelance client work and earn money from 3 channels per platform. So both of these come with 250,000 monthly credits to make up to 250 track adaptations, create up to 5 hours of voiceovers and top up any time. Now that's if you're actually adapting tracks and things like that. What I actually use Epidemic Sound for, and I'm actually using, you'll actually hear some Epidemic Sound. I've got an audio track in the background from Epidemic Sound I have on a lot of my videos, but essentially on this very channel, on all these hundreds of videos I have here, thousands in fact, I do use Epidemic Sound for my stuff and have done for a long time. So over here we've got the Pro Plus Custom, that's like their kind of enterprise plan, and this is intended for ATT and broadcast streaming. So you see you've got the different plans there. Oh yeah, I should mention yearly, so you're saving 55%, but the only slight catch here is you do have to pay all of this in one go for all of the months, but they're pretty transparent here. They say how much it will cost for each of those plans. Now, if you wanted to pay on a month-to-month rotating rolling basis, you can do that. You're just going to pay a lot more per month. So they do recommend that you go yearly, but the monthly option is there. They've also, that was the individual's price, and they've also got business. Gets a little bit more complicated, but they have these options. They've got business, and they've got business plus, and also the enterprise plan again. And you can see all of the options that you get there. So for most people, you'll be going individual. Let's compare the plans. We can hit that link and drop down to here. Now we've got a full pricing table here. It's always good on pricing pages where you can get this side-by-side comparison of different plans. You've got creator, you've got pro, and then the pro plus the custom pricing. So always useful on pricing pages. You can see what you do get, and in some cases what you don't get for the different pricing plans, as you can see right here. So you can scroll all the way down, find out all this detail, all this data. There's frequently asked questions at the bottom if you want some more information. But that was Epidemic Sound pricing. I encourage you to get that 30-day free trial. Click my link, check out the platform. Maybe Epidemic Sound is for you, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try it. So try it for 30 days, see if it's a good fit. If it isn't, you can just cancel. It's risk-free, you're not going to lose any money. If you want to stick around, you can get one of these pricing plans. It's as simple as that. So hopefully you found this video useful and helpful. If you have, drop the video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.